this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily uninstall your Steam games. So if you want to go ahead and save yourself some space or something like that, well, you can easily go on over to the library at any point in time, scroll on down to your game, and then right-click on it. And then you can go on over to Manage, and you can go to Uninstall right here. It says, Uninstall, would you like to uninstall BattleBit Remastered from this device? No, I do not, because this is a great game. So at any point in time, you can go back to where it says your game library, and you can re-download the content. So it should show up over here on the left, and it should be like grayed out or something. All you have to do is go to it, and then you can select it, and you can re-download it at any point in time. So if I were to delete it, I can re-download it there. So it's very easy to do that. So you can also go to Settings and just see your storage on here. So here it is. I can see BattleBit Remastered. I can select it under here. So select it, and then I can uninstall it right here as well. So I can uninstall multiple games at the same time. And you can see how much it takes up. So the games are blue. It looks like Other is taking up the most on my computer. 302 gigabytes of Other. I believe that's